Hi everyone, in this video, we show you how to get PandaBuy points. First of all, open up the PandaBuy official website. Once you get into your account, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then, it will show you the drop-down menu of your account. Now, choose the warehouse option from here. After the order is placed successfully, the seller will send the items to the warehouse and the warehouse will receive the items. You can view and operate the items on this page. Then, go into My Points. From here, you will see your PandaBuy points. The summary to get PandaBuy points are: you can then spend your points on items on cnfair.com. That is the page for PandaBuy's warehouse sale. Have a look around and find an item you like. Click to copy the redeem code. Open pandabuy.com/person/points. Then click PandaBuy Points Redeem and paste the code. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.